Good morning, you weather watchers out there, or should I say, good morning, as it is cold out there this morning. Right now, I'm at 3 below. And if you're waking up in the Midwest or the East this Sunday, December the 14th, you are officially in the deep freeze. Arctic air has taken firm grip and sending temperatures plummeting to wind chills and dangerous territory. So, hey, I'm tracking bone chilly cold, and I'll tell you what, if you got to be outside, just be careful. But that's the way it goes, huh? Hey, looking at your national weather forecast for this Sunday, December the 14th, 2025. This morning, I am focusing on the continuing winter and the cold impacts that's going across the nation. We're looking at dangerous Arctic cold plunges into the east with record cold air. Now, the core of the bitter Arctic air mass is shifting from the Midwest into the East Coast and Mid-Atlantic today. Checking out the widespread deep freeze, temperatures will be in the 20s to 25 degrees below average across the Ohio Valley and the upper middle Mississippi Valley area. Now, lows in the northern plains and parts of the upper Midwest will drop well below zero, reaching record lows. In Park Rapids, Minnesota, hit 25 below zero yesterday morning. Now, that is bone-chilling cold. Wind chill hazards, dangerous wind chills across the upper Midwest, including cities like Minneapolis and Chicago. And frigid air moves into the mid-Atlantic and northeast with temperatures dropping throughout the day. You want to be careful out there if you got to be out, because frostbite is a serious risk with prolonged exposure. So do not be outside for a long period of time. Take a break, especially if you got to be out in this snow that we have in our area and doing snow removal. Take a break every now and then. Snow continues over Ohio Valley and the northeast with lake effect snow. Expect lake effect snow and snow squalls downwind of the Great Lakes, especially in the area of the Cleveland, Ohio area and northern part of Ohio. Looking at whiteout conditions with heavy snow squalls will produce rapid whiteout conditions and very slick travel. Right now, they have a quarter-mile visibility with the snow squalls coming through. Now, looking at the northeast coast, shows snowfall that blanketed the mid-Atlantic, including the D.C. area and the northeast coast, New York City, and southern Connecticut. This morning will taper off by midday, leaving behind a sticky, travel-y condition. So if you got to be out and about this morning, definitely be careful. Total snow totals around 1 to 5 inches are common from this system, with higher localized amounts up to 5 plus inches, possibly along the I-95 corridor. And checking out the Appalachians, moderate to heavy snow will continue over parts of the Ohio Valley and the central Appalachian early today before winding down. And your Pacific coast, flooding and western warm-up period. Pacific Northwest is still recovering from the flooding, remains a major concern in this area of Washington State as the high river levels slowly subside from the recent rains. And travel is still impacted in some of these areas, so definitely be careful out there. Now, the modern western air, looking at warmer air, will expand from the west coast to the Rockies into portion of the plains. High temperatures will be around 5 to 10 degrees above average across much of the western lower 48. And looking at spotty showers expected in the Washington area along the Gulf Coast as well. Now for my Indiana forecast. Looking at the cold weather advisory remains in effect until 11 a.m. going into Monday. Looking at very cold wind chills as low as 5 to 15 below zero expected. in the portions of east central and southeast Indiana, northeast and northern Kentucky, and central and south central areas of Ohio and the western part of Ohio. Now, right now, I'm setting at 4 below zero here at just a little bit after 7 o'clock. And we're looking at partly sunny skies and cold today with only a high of 10 above zero. We're looking at wind chill values as low as 18 below zero. And winds out of the northwest at around 11 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 22 miles per hour today. Tonight, mostly clear with a low around 2 below zero. Wind chill values as low as 9 below. Winds will be out of the west at around 6 miles per hour and then start calming down later on in the evening. Moving into your Monday forecast, mostly sunny with a high near 22 degrees. The wind chill values as low as 12 below zero, and the winds be out of the southwest at 6 to 11 miles per hour, and wind gusts as high as 22 miles per hour. Monday night, partly cloudy with a low around 14 degrees, so we're not going to get as cold, but the winds be out of the southwest at 5 to 7 miles per hour. And then looking at your Tuesday forecast, mostly sunny with a high near 33 degrees. Winds out of the south at 5 to 8 miles per hour. And moving into Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 29 degrees. Wednesday, you're looking at partly sunny skies with a high near 38. Winds out of the southwest at 7 miles per hour. And Wednesday night, a chance of rain after 1 a.m. Yes, that's right. The snow removal system is in the forecast with mostly cloudy skies and a low of 30 degrees. But with the rain and freezing temperatures, this is going to make your Thursday morning a messy commute to work. So just use caution. And we're looking at a 40% chance of rain. Looking at Thursday, rain continues with a high of 51 degrees. Wow, a heat wave. Hey, break out the shorts, right? After the temperatures we've been through. Hey, winds be out of the southwest at 18 miles per hour and looking at a 90% chance of rain. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a low around 19 degrees. If you want to keep up with these changing conditions all week long, make sure you hit that like button and share the video so you don't miss my daily updates. I always appreciate you stopping by the weather desk. Have a great day out there. Stay safe and stay warm on this Sunday. I'm Jim Scott at the Weather Desk.